Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Smiling Islander. We are going to make something special today. Okra curry. Let's look at the ingredients. We have okra. I have close to 12 ounces of okra over here. We have a little bit of rampe or pandan leaves. Then we do have some Sri Lankan roasted curry powder. If you can't find the roasted curry powder, don't worry, any curry powder would work. Some ginger garlic paste, so it's half ginger, half garlic. I have made a paste out of it. A little bit of chili, totally optional. If you don't want it to be super spicy, totally remove that. A little bit of salt, some onion, a little bit of oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves. That's it. Last but not the least, the coconut milk. That's how we make it island style, by adding the coconut milk, and that's how we make a curry too. Let's start cooking, guys. Oil in, onion in, pandan leaves, mustard seeds, very good mix. Now we can add the ginger garlic. I have close to 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic. I like to add a little bit more ginger and the garlic into it. Curry powder in. Good mix. Look at the colors, guys. That's because of the curry powder. So we use a roasted curry powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this, so that way we can quickly cook this curry. We've been cooking this for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt. You can add salt to taste. The mix. Let's taste test. It needs a little bit of salt. Let's taste test again. Yeah, it's good. And finally, we finish it off with some coconut milk. Look at the color. And some curry leaves for garnish. Here we go, guys. Our okra curry is ready.